My name is Jeremy Cooper, and my major is dietetics. I'm a chef by trade, and I wanted to find something that with a little bit more purpose. So it was something that I was interested in, so I'm trying to combine health and something that I've always loved. Sophomore year of undergrad is when I applied for the program and was accepted. And the junior year, we start accruing hours for the program. So we need 1,200 hours total for the program in different categories. So research is one of them, and during this program that we are here, we are helping pre-diabetics manage their blood glucose levels so that they do not become diabetic. We have participants come to ShopRite. We'll give out a week's worth of groceries. They are also getting a week's worth of recipes, and that correlate with the groceries. The diseases that are affecting a lot of people can be counteracted or fought with nutrition, and we can hopefully turn lives around is what my goal is. I really like disease prevention. I did a clinical rotation in the hospital. I love that rotation. So I want to use my culinary skills to create a private practice geared around disease prevention. I just want people to be healthy. It's what I want to be able to bring to other people. So that's pretty much my driving force of why I do what I do, and it's what makes me happy.